Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically hide rows in Google Sheets when a checkbox is checked. Perfect for tracking completed tasks or filtering your sheet. Create a table with a checkbox column. Here is our example. To insert checkboxes, go to Insert Checkbox. And now you are at this stage. Go to Extensions, Apps, Script. Delete any default code and paste this script. Replace 2 with the column number of your checkboxes. Save the script. Then we can close this window. Check a box. The row hides automatically. Uncheck. The row reappears. Works for any number of tasks or rows. And that's it. A simple way to keep your sheet clean and hide completed items automatically. Remember, the script is in the description for you to copy. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more sheet tips.